Welcome back to the channel and the monster build that you see in front of us. This is the 4-lane Hot Wheels track, my 3D printed parts and orange Hot Wheels low profile wall stuff, which is causing me nothing but grief. This stuff is pretty cool if you've got a nice long straight, but it's got problems with the way it's behaving with certain cars. I just want to show you. When this low profile wall track meets up with the bank corners here, it's causing issues with some of the cars, some of the longer wheelbases. This is a Ford. What's happening is, as the cars come into the turn, they tend to want to gravitate towards the inside lane. When that happens, the back swings out, and when that happens, the front fender hangs over, right? I don't know if you can see it there. The front fender is hanging over that side rail. When that happens, we have this. It hits the joint of the track. Now, it's not a fault of my track, and it's really not a fault of Hot Wheels. However, there is a solution that I have found. And I can't race like that. I'm not going to race like that. Okay? There is a solution, and that is this high profile wall stuff. Well, you know, the Hot Wheels track. So you can see the difference. I think I made a video about this before. The difference is, I think this low profile stuff is about 10 mil. I think this might be 15 mil or even 20 mil high. So what we need to do is, where this Hot Wheels track joins up with my parts, we need to have this high profiled wall track in there. Let me just swap it out. Just give me a second. Let's swap this out. Okay. Alright, that's out. Let's put it in. Join it up with my track. Okay, I'm all joined up now. And we'll just let the car go. No problems. Look at that. No problems at all. And I'll tell you why. Because the walls are higher, right? It means the car has no chance of any part of the fender hanging over as it comes in to the bank, into the corner. Okay? Other issues might be if you do have a car that has obviously mirrors, well, that might grab it, but hey, you know, what can you do? So that's the fix. That's the fix with the track, which is causing me nothing but grief. However, the problem now is this low profile track is in abundance, right? No problems. This stuff, let me go here. This stuff is rare as hen's teeth, as they say. You can't buy this for love or money in any packs here in Australia. Actually, no, I'll tell a lie. I found someone on eBay selling a pack of 4 of these for $20-something or whatever. You know what I mean? That's not going to happen on my shift. I need a ton of this stuff. This one here is obviously quite long. This comes out of some kind of set pack that I bought. So right now I've gone on Marketplace eBay and found some, but very expensive. And I've also got onto eBay and people are selling some stuff there, but gee, they're robbers on eBay. Unbelievable, man. You might ask, why don't I print more 3D printed parts? So we take out the situation. Yeah, that's an option. However, these parts take about 13 hours to print, which is cool, but you know, it does cost a lot of money to make these parts. They're not cheap to make. And I need to have one entry, down there's another entry, another entry, that entry, that entry, that entry, and that entry. So, you know, there's a couple of 100 hours in prints. That might be the case. Look, I do have some of this stuff. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 12 of those. So what I might have to do is just actually cut these in half, because don't forget I'm going to need 4 for each entry point. So what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to need 28, maybe more, 28 of these. Yeah, anyway, I'm just thinking about that. Anyway, that's where I'm up to with the track. I've had some success with a layout here. I've got this sort of timed pretty well down through here. Now the other issue is the finish line has to be right under here. I can't get a bloody camera. Can't get a camera there to see what the cars are doing. So it's not one thing, it's another thing. So I'm really hoping to have this crossover, but I don't know if it's going to happen. Don't know yet. I'm still mucking around with the build and becoming more frustrated every day as I get through it. But today I'm determined to do a bit more to it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.